you have been exiled from the world you fought to rule. You are powerless, you're betrayed, you're cast out. But the one person who sent you away is the one you can't seem to forget. This is Queen of Nothing by Holly Black. It is the final book, however, it shatters everything in the way. So, just like the previous books, this book follows Jude, who once had the power behind the throne. She was clever, she was ruthless, she had everything in control. But now she's back in the mortal world where she is forced to watch from afar as the chaos brews in Fairy. Because now the crown she helped to protect is at risk, and so is everything she has ever held close. But you see, Jude has never been the one to stay quiet. So she goes back to Fairy in disguise with everything to lose and even more to prove. Because you see, old enemies are rising, new alliances are cracking, and the boy who once banished her, he holds the key to everything. And maybe, just maybe, he still believes she can win. So you see, this story isn't about neat endings and easy choices. It's about pride, it's about power, it's about protecting the world you believe, even though it shattered you. And so it's about sisters, it's about sacrifices, it's about learning when to let go things and when to hold on to them. So if you like final chapters with Storm, and if you're drawn to fierce characters who never give up, even though all the odds are against them, I think you need to check out Queen of Nothing. In Fairy, even the most broken thing can still cut, and sometimes being a queen means you have to stand alone.